appropriate.
Abitha wa Mpesa Foundation ibakinyite skuru ya Cloud Academy Baringo na arabakinyithitio Utethio Bwa milioni 10 kenda gwaka na gukuria skuru murandi juju GUKINYIA BUNENE na nimwe ya mibango ire Mpesa Foundation bagitaga maturene kenda gukuria ntura chetu.
Today we are here in St. Claude School in Chemolingot, where we have come to open the library, the Integrated Resource Center, and the boys' dormitory. Over and above the Integrated Resource Center, we built for the boys who are sleeping in a gara or something like that, which was more of an outdoorish setup. We built for them a modern dormitory that has solar-heated hot water thanks to the solar in this area, and we've put them into cubicles. So we've invested 10 million just to transform this community and this society here. Our expectations as the Mpesa Foundation is that the future leaders of this country will come from here. We strongly believe in transforming the lives of the communities and especially the marginalized communities. This area is quite marginalized, and we look forward to seeing many, many more young people come to the school, the numbers grow, and the students growing and embracing this, and above all, taking care of the infrastructure that we have opened and blessed today.
Okay, before the intervention, the challenges that the school was facing was lack of accommodation, because you find we get children from far, from Silale area, from Bapelo, from other distant areas in East Pokot, Tiaty constituency, and you find that we didn't have a good place to put the children as per the requirements of the government. So that's why we sought the assistance of Mpesa Foundation. It will improve the learning level of the children, but because when they are boarders, they have more time to study. They have more time to dedicate to education, and also to desist from getting involved in banditry. We thank Safaricom, we thank Mpesa Foundation for the intervention of equipping the ICT hub, and we just hope that we continue the paid partnership of trying to empower the people of Tiaty constituency.